guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vivy Mutheu. If you are new here, welcome to the family. If you are a returning subscriber, man, thank you so much for just keeping up with me. Thank you. That's the most I can say is thank you, thank you, thank you. We are growing slowly and slowly and slowly, but we're about to get to 1,000. It's been a long time coming, yeah. So as you've seen from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a smoky eye. This is my first attempt ever. This is not one of those tutorials where I've done it before, so me just coming here is just like, by the way, you can try this. I've already done it, so I'm good at it. No. This is my first time doing this. I'm kidogo nervous. I don't know how it will look. I don't know if it will go with my skin tone. But let's try. If it fails, it fails. If it doesn't, well, it didn't. So let's get straight into this video. So as you can see, my eyebrows are already done. I have a tutorial on this if you are curious. So I did that off camera and then I came back. Yeah, so let's start. So first things first, I'm going to prep my eyelids. Eyelids prepped. Now I'm just going to take my fluffy brush, that one. I'm going to be, if you are not new here, you've seen this palette more than once. You've seen this palette a lot. This is by far my favorite palette. I have a couple more that I will be sharing, but for now, let's stick to, now that I'm trying something new, let's stick to something that I know. This is the shade I'm going to be starting with. This is the Gorgeous, and I'm going to use it as a transition shade. Let's just say that. I'm going to blend that out now. This is actually a really easy tutorial. Nothing too extra. I don't know if it's just me who likes the color this close, but I think it looks really nice. But again, do you, whatever works for you. My flat brush, I don't know if you can see. Flat brush, and I'm going to be going in now on bold. This. It's time. Ooh. I'm so scared. Ooh, child. Now I take my fluffy brush and blend that out. You know what? I love it. Oh my god, I love it. And this was really Easy and fast. What? Wait. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to line my lower lid. I really need to get the kajal or the gel. This is not working. Yo, do you guys see how easy that is? Now, I really need to get another brush. A different fluffy brush. Where do you guys buy brushes? Please. Nyambieni. I clearly need help. I'm gonna go back in with my Gorgeous, the transition shade that I used. This one. Just a bit on my lower. I do that. Let me do that after the foundation. Kama kawaida, if you've been here for a while, you'll know how much I love this foundation. This is the Zaron Healthy Glow Pure Perfection Oil Control in the shade FZ25. Unaona venye inaisha? Guy. Somebody, do your thing, get me some. Put on my lashes before or after I put on my foundation? I'm thinking after, whichever is fine. Yeah, this is because I'm laying my edges, so I'm waiting for it to dry. So msidhani nimecheesy. I like this foundation because it's full coverage, and as you can see, okay, you can't see now, but I have some problem areas with my acne around the cheeks and on my forehead a bit, but my forehead is clearing. Oh, please, point note, please do your edges first before your foundation. Makes it easier to blend out. Don't put too much foundation on your forehead. Use the one that's still on your sponge or brush. Use that on your forehead. Makes it easier to blend. Nah, there won't be build up between the gel and your foundation. Trust me on this. Trust me. I always have foundation and my edges are always laid. So please trust me on this. So, okay, so next step is my eyelash. Sorry. Next step is my eyelashes. I am going to be using some eyelashes that I got. I don't know if you can see this clearly, but they're so fluffy. So fluffy. I got them, I think, for, I don't even know. I think 250 bob. Mnajua kule Dubois? Huko. And I'm going to be using my Duo Lash glue to just put them together. So first things first, I'm going to measure. You know what, I'm going to do a different video on how to put on lashes, sawa? So I'm still going to do this off camera and then come back, sawa? So I went ahead and put on my lashes. I think the look is is done. Tell me what you think. I had forgotten to add my transition shade, There we go, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, to my Lisa. Tell me what you think. Also, let me change my lips real quick, and then you tell me which one you like, gloss or the lipstick. Ha! So I have put on some lipstick that I feel actually goes with it. The best part about having this makeup look is you can put on if you want a nude lip, if you want a bold lip, if you want just gloss perfection. I'm actually going to be doing this look more often. I love it. So tell me down below in the comment section, what do you prefer, the gloss or the lipstick? So see you next week. I promise. See you next week for a hair video that I already have, but I will upload next week. Okay, sawa. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for keeping up with my channel and sparing a few minutes of your time to just watch this video. I really truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Till next time, I will love you and leave you. Goodbye.